Welcome to our travel information and recommendation system overview, focusing on travel within the state of Victoria. Our group consists of 5 members, with 3 IT majors and 2 data science majors. Feng Bao, Leyi Zhang, and Zhang, these 3 members are IT majors. Feng Bao took the lead in setting up our cluster, and then they collaboratively work on the stream data harvester and the ongoing maintenance of cluster. And as data science majors, Haoyuan and me, Siqi, focus on the analytical aspect of our project. We were responsible for creating and querying index, which form the backbone of our data retrieval process. Additionally, we excel the data visualization, turning raw data into meaningful insights and visual reports that guide our project's direction and decision-making. Together, we form a well-rounded team with complementary skills, ensure that both technical and analytical aspects of our projects are handled proficiently. Now we will explain the data visualization aspects related to our scenario. To begin, let's look at the travel conditions in Victoria. We will create a detailed map centered on Victoria, showcasing each local government area, LGA, with intuitive geographic markers. Click on each label and you can see the corresponding LGA name. This visualization offers a clear understanding of key travel destinations within the state. And you can zoom in and out on the map to get more precise information. And the following shows the name of all local government area. When planning a trip, most tourists prioritize climate and environmental factors. Therefore, we conduct an analysis of climate conditions by integrating data from SUDO, EPA, and BOM. The heat map we will develop highlights the population density in Victoria, with blue indicating lower density and red indicating higher density areas. Additionally, circles on the map denote air quality. Green for PM 2.5 concentrations below 10 micrograms per cubic meter, and red for concentrations above 20. Generally, air quality is good when PM 2.5 levels are below 25. Click on these circles, you can find the exact values. We also added weather station sets from BOM to the map. By clicking on these markers, you can access detailed, up-to-date weather information, including temperature, humidity, wind speed, and rainfall. This feature provides a comprehensive view of current weather conditions across Victoria. Once tourists have chosen a destination, they can retrieve today's weather updates by entering the LGA name. For example, if someone plans to visit Melbourne today, they can simply enter Melbourne and get a line chart of temperature, humidity, mean sea level pressure, and rainfall over the past 12 hours. These charts offer valuable insights into daily weather trends and assist in planning travel activities. In this figure, we observed that humidity reached 100% this morning, indicating a higher likelihood of rain. And the rainfall data confirms that it is indeed raining today, underscoring the importance of packing a hat or rain gear for travel. Similar to this figure, the other plots also provide additional insights into the overall weather conditions for the day.
So next, I will introduce more about our system. In addition to the weather, tourists will also be interested in the distribution of popular destinations and leisure facilities. They are likely interested in the destination they visit, making it crucial to understand the distribution of visitors across different areas to aiding their travel decisions. These two bar charts showcase the distribution of visitors across various local government areas in Victoria. Distinguishing between domestic and international tourists, highlighting popular spots. Simultaneously comprehending the primary source countries of international tourists provides vital market insights for local tourism operators, enabling them to tailor marketing strategies to diverse international markets. A horizontal bar chart illustrates the principal source countries of international tourists. Understanding the location of recreational facilities like bars and cafes in different areas can aid tourists in planning their trips, ensuring they have sufficient leisure options during their visits. Our heat maps display the distribution of bars and cafes across Victoria, assisting tourists in destination selection. And understanding the size distribution of tourism businesses as local governments and tourism organizations in policy formulations and development plans. A radar chart displays this distribution across different local government areas, providing tourists with insights into local tourism economy. For visitors, choosing a safe destination is one of the important factors to ensure a pleasant and smooth trip. Hence, we provide detailed information on safety conditions across destinations. We identify crimes of particular concern to tourists, such as assaults, robberies, and theft. A histogram displays the total number of these crimes over 10 years. However, mere numerical representations may not fully convey the nuances of crime distributions, so we also generated a heat map to show the crime densities across different areas. Moreover, visitors can input their chosen destination to access specific crime data and rankings for that area. For instance, by entering Melbourne, users can obtain detailed crime statistics for the city, and this graph reveals that theft is the most common type of crime. Tourists often rely on social media for information and recommendation, so we collected and analyzed Mastodon posts to showcase popular travel-related content. These word clouds reveal distinct patterns in what people are talking about, giving us a deeper understanding of travelers' interests and concerns as the day progresses. In the mornings, our word cloud highlights frequent mentions of trains, airs, and planes. This clearly suggests that transportation and travel logistics are top of mind during the early hours. We also see keywords like country and traveled, indicating that people are thinking about broader travel topics and destinations as they start their day. As we move into the afternoon, the focus shifts. Our word cloud now shows an increase in discussions about art, novels, and programs. This trend points to a growing interest in cultural activities and travel experience during this time. The presence of words like travelers and means suggests that people are considering the logistics and means of travel, perhaps planning their next adventures or sharing experience. In the evening, the conversation trends once again. The word cloud is dominated by terms such as service, defense, and positions. These shifts reflect a potential concern for safety and security during travel as night falls. That's all for our travel system. Thank you for listening.